In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix MSI DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows before we can reinstall the missing DLL file. Go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Take note of your system type and open any browser on your Windows. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. And then right-click on the folder, select Extract All. Click on Extract. Copy the DLL file. Right-click and then copy. And go to this PC on the left pane. Double-click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder and locate the System32 folder. Here it is. Then right click and then select paste. Okay, so paste it here. Once done, close the remaining windows. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Step 2, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Step 3, open a or go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. Simply type sfc /scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and also consider to restart. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.